Hello, hello again. It's Kat from the Fire Tuna Club. So, I actually participated in a swap. I saw everybody on Instagram doing it and I wanted to give it a try. The swaps are hosted by Retro Dolls US. And due to the fact that I was just starting out at the time, I signed up for the Newbie swap. I'm posting the unboxing of my swap doll first, due to the fact that I am still in the middle of training for a new position at work and I am too busy to actually edit a video heavily. I am so sorry, guys, but enjoy! I decided to spare you guys be singing the chocolate song, but I do want you guys to know that this amazing doll, Magna Von Galaxis, was made by Cat's Custom on Instagram. And girl, you sent me so much chocolate, I was so happy. I know you can't lose with chocolate, but oh, truffles, thank you. She really ran with a space theme. I love all the stars incorporated into her outfit. The little hair accessories, and the star and the bow and the shoes. Ugh, Magna's adorable. She's definitely not something I would have created, but that's what makes her so much more charming. She'll fit right in with Ivory, Frist, and Melbina, and a couple of others that you don't know about yet, but are coming soon to the channel. Admitting you have a problem is the first step to fixing the problem. This chocolate didn't last more than 2 days. Thank you. Before I let you guys go with the closing comments, just letting you know, again, Cat's Customs on Instagram if you want to follow her. She does ball joint dolls. She also has Monster High dolls as well as hybrid dolls. Check her out, she's an amazing artist, not only with dolls but with actual art. The art that came with this doll is gorgeous. Thank you again, Cat. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi guys, if you like what you saw and you want to see more, don't forget to like or subscribe to the channel. If you want to see what we're working on before we get it out, check out the sneak peeks on Instagram, or just follow us on Tumblr. Thanks for watching!